Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change password on Netflix. So in order to do this, first of all open your mobile phone. Then simply go to Play Store and install Netflix if you don't have it on your mobile phone. Now if you already have the application installed, what you'll have to do is simply sign out of your Netflix account. So after signing out of your Netflix account, you will see this page. So this is the sign in page for Netflix. Here you will see privacy and sign in options. What you'll have to simply do is click on sign in button, not the get started button. Click on sign in and you'll be taken over to this page. So on this page, you can enter your email or phone number with which your Netflix account is associated. Then what you'll have to do is click on this button. It will open any browser on your mobile phone and it will redirect you to www.netflix.com. So as you can see, you can update your password, email or phone on this page. Simply choose how would you like to reset your password, through email or text messages. So I will choose email, then enter my email with which my Netflix password is associated, and I will click on email me button. Now when I click on the email me button, it will send an email with instructions to reset my password. So I will have to simply navigate back to email, click on the verify email button or the change password button in my email, after which I'll be taken over to the page where I can easily set or change my Netflix password. So that is the simple way through which you can change your Netflix password. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.